Hey everybody. Right now I'm in Michael's and they still have Black Friday deals. This place is great because they always have coupons. Anytime I come in here, they have some sort of coupon. Right now, we got a lot of Christmas items in here, 50% off. They have wall frames, 50% off. Seems like the whole store is on sale. Great place to come and shop. I get a lot of arts and crafts here because I do a lot of stuff for my credit company, and I have a game for the kids, so I have to come in here and get products. I'm trying to find some letters. Where are they at? It's got a lot of wood products in here. I come in here all the time over Walmart just because they have coupons. Tons and tons of coupons. Michael's has more coupons than anybody else. Last week, they had 50% off on all Christmas decorations. They still have things in here on sale. So if you're a handy dandy crafty person, you like to build things with your hands, you like to color, whatever you like to do, make sure you check out Michael's. Check out the discounts, check out the coupons. There's so many in here right now. www.michaels.com, or you can just download their app. I think the other day I got 60% off at the register. Sometimes they have buy 3 items, get 50% off all 3 items. All kind of crazy deals, but it's just good stuff to come in here. I had to get some letters so I can finish painting my game. It's really good, but I just happened to walk in here and see all the Christmas decorations on sale. So if you haven't bought all your Christmas decorations, get here, get your Christmas decorations. Over here in the Christmas section, we got some 2 for $5 items, which is $2.50, not bad. They got a lot of good stuff. They got bags in here, Christmas items, buy 2, get 1 free, not bad. You got a coupon, and then you go to the register and get more coupons. A lot of big savings in Michael's. Check this place out if you haven't done your Christmas decorations. Very inexpensive. If you have kids, you want to do some arts and crafts, great. Sip and paint. If you want to do sip and paint, come and get your canvas right here. That's what I do. I do sip and paint at home. Buy my own canvas, get you some not crayons, get some paint, and paint it up and have a good time. This has been Cheap Not Broke. This is in Michael's. I'm in Michael's right now. Go online, get some savings, save some money on Christmas decorations.